Good morning, class. Today we are going to multiply a whole number by a fraction or a mixed number. The first problem we are going to take a look at is 3 times 2/5, which is 3 groups of 2/5. First, we need to see if this number is a mixed number. It is not, so all we really need to do is multiply our whole by the numerator, which will give us 3 times 2 is 6, 6/5. Now, last time we did not need to change this improper fraction or fraction greater than 1 into a mixed number. Today we need to. So we are going to take away a whole from our fraction. We will get 1/5. I'm going to circle a whole to remind myself that I need to add 1 whole in. So 3 times 2/5 equals 1 1/5. The second problem we are going to look at is 4 times 1 2/3. This is 4 groups of 1 2/3, so we need to see if this is a mixed number. It is a mixed number, so we are going to do this problem in 4 steps. The first step is we are going to multiply 4 by our fraction. So 4 times 3 equals 8/3. We need to look at that 8/3 and decide if we need to rename it. We do, so our second step is to rename. 8/3. We're going to take away a whole. That equals 5/3. We are not done yet, so we're going to take another whole out. This now equals 2/3. We have a fraction with a numerator smaller than the denominator, so we're done. I'm going to circle the wholes to remind myself to add those in. The third step is going to be multiply my whole numbers. So 4 times 1 equals 4. I need to add in my 2 wholes because I have 2 wholes circled. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. The last thing I am going to do is put everything together. I have 6 wholes and 2/3. So my answer is 6 2/3. All right, this problem is 6 times 1/4. I would like you to give it a try now. All right, so here we go. This fraction is not a mixed number, so all I need to do is multiply my whole number by the numerator. I get 6/4. Yes, I need to rename it. So 4/4 is my whole. I'm going to take that off. I now get 2/4. This can be simplified further by using factors. So I'm going to make my factors list. 2 is the largest common factor, so I'm going to divide by 2. I now have 1/2. Circle my whole. I'm going to now put it all together. I have 1 1/2 for my answer. I would like you to take a moment and try this problem on your own. Okay, this fraction is a mixed number, so there's going to be 4 steps to solving it. My first step is to multiply 5 times my fraction. I get 15/9. My second step is to rename that fraction. So 15/9, and I'm going to take away my whole to get 6/9. I can simplify this fraction, so I'm going to do so now. I know 3 is the greatest common factor, so I get 2/3. I'm going to circle my whole to remember to use it later. Third step is to multiply my wholes. 5 times 2 is 10. I am now going to add in that whole I have circled to get 11. My fourth step is to put it all together, so I have 11 and 2/3. Okay, these are your exit tickets. The first one is 4 times 2/3. The second one is 7 times 1 1/6. The third one is 5 times 3 4/10. Go ahead and take a moment to solve them now.